Hey y'all, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make you a dessert. We're doing a peach dump cake. So we're going to start off by, we have 2 cans, and these are 15-ounce cans of peaches. One is drained, one is not. We're going right into a cast iron skillet with these. We got a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, tablespoon of cinnamon. Then we're also going to do a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And if you wanted to use fresh peaches here, you could. We were looking for something simple, so that's the route we went. So you got your vanilla in, and now we're going to add maybe 1 or 2 Mississippis of some Buffalo Trace bourbon. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Now we're going to give this a good mix. You want to combine everything. So now we're going to take 1 box of, you can use Duncan Hines or whatever other brand, but this is yellow cake mix, and we're just going to sprinkle this right over top. The whole box. Try to get it as even as possible. Make a mess if you want. Still more in there. Okay. And we got it. So we're just gonna spread this out. Try to make it even. Now the fun part. If this wasn't unhealthy enough, we're gonna add 2 whole sticks of butter cut into pats right to the top. You just want to lay these out as even as possible. I'm thinking this would be good with some homemade vanilla ice cream. If Michelle would have bought the stuff for that. Maybe we would have had it, but I guess we're not. We got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes and we'll check it. Probably gonna take 45 minutes to get it finished. So we got all that butter on there. And once our oven finished preheating, there it is. We're gonna take this over and throw it in. Okay, we're gonna give this peach bourbon dump cake a try. Thing smells delicious. Just had to let it cool a little bit so I don't burn my face off. Ooh, that's a banger. Give this recipe a try. It's absolutely delicious. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Get some. Ooh.